how to add API key in Shopify. So first go to your admin dashboard here, and then just click on the settings here. Okay, now click on apps and sales channels, and then click on develop apps here at the top. Okay, now just click on create an app. Name your app here. For example, I'll just name this my API key. Okay, now after that, just click on create an app. Okay, let's just wait for this, and then next is you just need to configure the admin API scopes, the storefront, and you just need to customize all of this, the configurations for API credentials, app settings, all of it. Okay, so after that, you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.